Hello and welcome to the Finance Fixer. I'm thrilled to have you here as part of our growing community. This channel is designed to help you take control of your financial future through smart investing, effective money management, and practical tips to grow your wealth. We'll dive deep into investment strategies, understanding stock market trends, personal finance tips, retirement planning, and how to build a strong financial foundation. Whether you're just starting or looking to level up, you'll find content tailored to meet your needs. At the Finance Fixer, we focus on actionable insights that help you make informed decisions about your money. Our goal is to empower you with the knowledge to invest wisely and achieve financial independence. If you're ready to start your journey toward financial freedom, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. I'll be sharing strategies that can change the way you manage and grow your wealth. Join me and others who are committed to mastering the art of investing and building lasting financial success. Let's fix your finances together. Thanks for stopping by the Finance Fixer. I'm excited to share this journey with you. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay smart with your money.